Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about mean absolute deviation, and the strategy that we are covering is add set, which you add, divide, subtract, add, and divide again. Okay, so I'm going to be working out problems 4, 5, and 6 from the assignment that I assigned to you this week. So let's start with number 4 here. It's important for you guys to read the question because notice in this type of problem, you have a table with two columns, right? So you have here team X and team Y. But what is the question asking for? Team Y. So we're not going to be paying attention to the X. We're just going to be working with the numbers that are under the team Y. Okay, so remember that we are doing mean absolute deviation. So the strategy is add set. So first step, simple, we're going to add 45 plus 38 plus 44 plus 40. Okay, so you add everything. It's going to equal to 167. Now we're going to divide. So 167 gets divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided by 4 numbers. Okay? That is going to equal to 41.75. Now, next step is to subtract. So we're going to be subtracting 45 minus 41 point. Actually, let me use the green one. Okay, so it's going to be the first number, 45. Where am I getting the 45 from? From here. So I'm going to subtract that number with 41.75. Next number, 38 minus 41.75. Next number, 44 minus 41.75. Okay, I'm missing 2 more numbers, which is going to be one more number, perdón. 40 minus 41.75. Okay, so now we're going to be adding. Okay, so we're going to add whatever answer we get from here. So 45 minus 41.75, it's going to be 3.25 plus 38 minus 41.75 is 3.75. Then 44 minus 41.75, it's going to give me 2.25. Then the last one is going to be 1.75. Now that you have that, all you have to do is pretty much divide. That is your last step. So first we're going to add everything. So we're going to add all of these, and we're going to get 11. So 11 divided by 4 numbers, it's going to give me 2.75. And that is your final answer. Okay, 2.75. All right, moving on to the next one. It's talking about 4 students taking an online class, right? So we have 4 numbers again, and we're going to do exactly the same thing, add set. And we're going to get started. So it's going to be 16 plus 31 plus 21 plus 40. It's going to give you an answer of 108. Now 108 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers, equal to 27. So now we're going to be subtracting 16 minus 27, 31 minus 27, 21 minus 27, and 40 minus 27. Okay, so we're going to get new numbers. 16 minus 27, that is negative 11, but I'm only going to use the 11. Plus 31 minus 27, that is a 4. Next number, it's 6. And next number is a 13. What is the next step here? Is to add all of these numbers. It's going to give me 34 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. The final answer is 8.5. Okay, moving on to the next one. Here we have numbers of 5 different parking lots. Okay, number of cars in 5 different parking lots. Okay, so strategy is the same thing, add set. So we're going to add 20 plus 15 plus 35 plus 0 plus 10. Okay, so total will be equal to 80. 80 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it equals to a 16. So now we're going to do 20 minus 16, 15 minus 16, 35 minus 16, 0 minus 16, and 10 minus 16. Okay, so once we subtract, we get new numbers. And we're going to get 4 plus 15 minus 16, that's a negative 1, but it turns into a positive because we're not using negatives. And then 35 minus 16, that's a 19. Then 0 minus 16, that's a 16. Plus 10 minus 16, that's a 6. All we have to do now is add these numbers. And it's going to give me a total of 46 divided by 5. It will give you 9.2. And that's basically it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a great day.